House because they cannot just say, we refer House arrest for the former president, that we refer House arrest because of her status of former president. I think they should be able, or they should cite a stronger reason for that.
Ngayon ma'am, may nakikita po.
Mahirap sabihin, ano, kasi ibabalanse rin nga yan yung perception ng publiko na bakit ganun lang ba palagi kapag former president ang nagsasalita ay yung mga other arrangements like either hospitalized or hospitalized. But again, this is all subject to the discretion of the court. I don't want to be expressing categorical comments or position on the matter. Baka yun na naman ang inuuna sa